in many companies, there are these typical arguments or fights between various functions or departments. In these situations, top managements tell us that our department heads behave childishly, meaning they are frequently arguing and fighting with each other instead of supporting each other and working as a team. The management says we have told them many times to work as a team, but it doesn't happen. Why does it not happen? Is it because the department heads by nature are people who enjoy picking fight with others? Or is it because those positions are such that the moment anybody occupies that position, that person suddenly develops this inclination to pick arguments and fights? No. If we look closely, we will find that all these arguments and fights are happening for causes which are becoming a hindrance for each of these people to achieve their KPIs or performance targets. And that is very natural because their appraisals and subsequent rewards depends on it. For example, if a production person is arguing with materials head for delay in materials, it is because he wants to achieve his target of on-time delivery. If a maintenance head is arguing with production head to give him time for preventive maintenance of machines, it is because he wants to achieve his KPI of uptime of machines. If a sales head is arguing with materials head to buy materials at lower prices, it is because he wants to achieve his KPI of sales target and margin targets. So all these conflicts are happening because of a combination of KPI, the parameters being measured, and the actions being taken by various departments to achieve their own KPIs. So these combinations of KPIs and the actions taken are not aligned in the whole organization across departments. As a result, if one function has to succeed or win, then some other function has to at least partially lose. Only then that previous function can achieve its KPI. So these fights or conflicts can be avoided only by aligning KPIs and actions taken in various departments. And this alignment is required across the entire company, end to end. And it is only the top management who is in a position to do this and not the department heads. Because it is only the top management who has got complete end-to-end visibility of the processes and workflows. So top management should start thinking how this alignment can be done, and keep in mind that the department heads are not childish. It is normal human tendency to behave in such a way that will enable you to achieve your KPIs and targets.